Hey everyone, welcome back to Michelle Joanne. So I just wanted to jump on and do an update about my IM Academy journey. So I did a previous video that you can check out where I actually shared my screen and I went over everything. I took you inside the members area of IM Academy. So if you have heard from anyone, maybe a friend's family, whoever, about I Am Academy, and they had recommended it to you, but you feel unsure or you're uneasy about it, by all means, watch that video and it will sum it up for you. Um, however, I am on here just to tell you how it's going for me. I'm not here to push you into anything that you don't want. You have to do the research and decide for yourself what you would like to do. If learning how to trade forex or cryptocurrencies, or they are going to be adding stocks as well in the near future. If any of these are things that have been of interest to you, I definitely recommend checking it out. Just to sum up, I Am Academy is an education program that gives you the education and the tools that you need to be an independent trader. They have nothing to do with you sending your money to them and investing with them. It is completely your responsibility to find your own broker that you trust and to invest your money with a broker. You do not invest your money with I Am Academy. Once again, it is simply for education purposes. So, just so everyone is aware, if you are approached by anyone, especially on Instagram, asking you to invest your money with them and they mention anything about I Am Academy, it is a scam. Okay. Um, whatever that person is doing, they're taking photos and information from I Am Academy educators and making fake profiles. So I just want to make sure you are well aware before I say anything else that that is something that has been happening. So if you feel unsure or anything, you can always reach out to someone like myself and say, "Hey, I found this. What do you think? Is this legitimate or not?" Um, I have linked my social media down below, so you are more than welcome to reach out to me with any questions in regards to IM Academy. Now, I just wanted to hop on and say my progress. So I started out with a small account. A small account that would be recommended to start out with would be $1,000. I did start out previously a while back at beginning of COVID with I believe 500, and that was limiting because there's certain trades that it's recommended you do not do with a smaller account because some forex pairs and cryptocurrencies move very quickly. And if you are emotional when you trade, you could lose your account very fast. So $1,000 account is the recommended so that you can take some trades that you couldn't otherwise take. So I predominantly do US 30 at the moment, and I'm learning the cryptocurrency side. So from previous, I understand US 30, so it doesn't scare me. It does move really, really fast, but I don't let my emotions get the better part of me. I am still trying to figure out what kind of trader I am, whether I would like to be a scalper and trade on the 1 minute chart, the 5 minute chart, 1 hour, 4 hour, or day. I am finding out lately that I do prefer the trading over multiple days as opposed to scalping. Whereas I thought I would want to scalp trade. However, being a new mom, my eyes need to be on my 5-month old more than on on a chart. So, and it's kind of nice to wake up and see uh, a big profit. Also, I'm comfortable with it because I don't let my emotions get the better part of me when I see a really big negative number. Um, I understand the charts and I'm not afraid of them. With that being said, it has now been, so my last video was February 9th. So it's now been a month and a half since my last video. I did actually triple my account um, af- within that first month. And I wanted to hop on and make a video to say that, oh, I had doubled my account and say my progress. However, I had a trade that had a drawdown on US 30 that was making me uncomfortable. So I closed the trade and took the loss, and then I my account was no longer where it was. So I couldn't come on and say, oh, I had done this when that drawdown had um, taken that progress away. So that's something that can happen. However, keeping in mind, I started with a small account. So at this point, um, money that I'm losing is not money that was originally invested. Um, so at this point, as of today, well, I was giving my daughter a bath. I made a lot of money, and while I'm on maternity leave. Um, so obviously, because I'm on maternity leave, that money is being held within my trading account and being used to grow. Um, so I cannot say the exact numbers of the profits that I've made because that goes against IM Academy's policies. So if you do see on Instagram and Facebook and whatever, people making claims of how much profit they're making, and they're linked to IM Academy, they're probably not legitimate. So because of that, I can't say the exact numbers. I could tell you how many what's called pips I have done. So in trading forex, unlike the stock market, you call each point it moves a pip. But I honestly haven't calculated how many pips I've done. Um, so, how at this stage, as of today, I've now tripled my account in a month and a half. So, but like I said, that is trading US 30 predominantly, and some crypto currencies in there as well. So that is going to be my focus. So one of the things when trading is you have to find either stocks or forex pairs that work for you and that you are comfortable with, and learn them, know them, and just mm, find what works, and then do it over and over. If it works, just keep doing the same thing over and over. You don't have to be trading 10 different forex pairs. You really only need to trade, say, two or three pairs and just keep doing it. Um, so, but anyways, yeah, so I was just excited to say I've now tripled my account. The goal was to do the video after doubling my account, but I am going to be taking out my original investment. in from my account, so that way whatever I'm trading is money that I never actually invested. It's all money that's just been made from trading. So, um, thank goodness if I have a really bad trade and I lose some money, at least I'm not losing anything that I had put in originally. So, and that's kind of how you have to look at it. Anyhow, um, if you do have any questions again, just reach out to me. I have decided not to include my IM Academy link in the description because I want people to reach out to me if they are interested. Um, I do realize I could miss out by not putting that link there. But if I do put that link there and you don't reach out to me, then I am setting you up to fail. You'll just click on it and you won't know what you're looking at. You won't know what you're doing. It is really best to reach out to somebody and ask the questions and then decide if it's something that's right for you or not. Um, Whereas if you just have the link and you're just like, okay, yeah, I'm gonna sign up, you won't know what's going on. Anyways, thank you for taking the time to listen, and hopefully I am on here again soon to tell you my next step in progress. So the next step for me will be to learn more on the cryptocurrency side. The nice thing about cryptocurrency is that the markets are open 24 hours, which is ideal for me having a new child at home. However, a lot of the education is in the evenings, and at that time, my fiance's home. It's her bedtime, and we're looking at buying a house and stuff. So it's just kind of um, been a bit delayed. Anyhow, so hopefully that will be the next video to say how I'm doing in that. And I will see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.